people, so today I'm back with my new video. Yay! So today's video will be real crazy, even on iPhone without my microphone. So today we're gonna make potato chips in a microwave. It sounds real crazy, but I hope everything will be okay. So I found one video on YouTube, which I'm gonna leave link below, and today we're gonna try make these potato chips. Let's go to see how it goes and have fun. It was a really weird experience. But it's good. Even if it's not looks good, taste is really good. So thank you so much for watching my really weird experience. It was really fun. And actually I'm not doing this for the first time. So it was really fun and it's really delicious. So if you want chips, you can make them, and you can go to the shop, you can make at home. Bye.